Welcome to another new video. Today we will learn alphabet from A to Z with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's start with some colors name. Black color, mint color, orange color, violet color, green color, brown color, light green color, red color, pink color, yellow color, blue color and sky blue color. Let's start. Blue color. A for apple. Violet color. B for brinjal. Black color. C for crow. Pink color. D for doll. Light green color. E for egg. Mint color. F for fish. Yellow color. G for garlic. Green color. H for home. Sky blue color. I for ink. Orange color. J for jar. Red color. K for king. Brown color. L for lotus. Blue color. M for moon. Violet color. N for nun. Black color. O for ox. Pink color. P for pillow. Light green color. Q for queen. Mint color. R for rat. Yellow color. S for sun. Green color. T for table. Sky blue color. U for umbrella. Red color. V for vase. Orange color. W for winter. Brown color. X for X-ray. Blue color. Y for yolk. Black color. Violet color. Z for zebra. Let's again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Keep watching for next video. Thank you.